These files hold emails from the ancient Outlook Express. Modern Outlook doesn't import them easily anymore because the format is obsolete. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is how to extract your old messages. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective DBX file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. When indexing, the system places DBX into the email file group for classification. It uses the Outlook Express email folder format to store its contents. The DBX file is a proprietary email folder file used by Microsoft Outlook Express, now retired. It functions as a singular database containing messages, email headers, and attachments for a specific folder, e.g. Inbox DBX. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and uses an internal index structure. Its primary design challenge is data integrity. If the file exceeds a certain size or is improperly closed, the entire folder can become corrupt, making all emails within it inaccessible without specialized recovery tools. The core professional tool for handling the DBX format is Microsoft Outlook Express from Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows cannot interpret internal email structures, so viewing relies on mail-compatible programs. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your DBX file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Outlook Express if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If your DBX file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent DBX problem. First, check the mail client. Attempt to open the file with a compatible email client such as Outlook Express, Windows Live Mail, or Thunderbird. Next, use Recovery Tool. If the file is corrupt or inaccessible, use a dedicated third-party DBX recovery tool to repair the damaged file. Finally, manual reindex. If using Outlook Express, move the DBX files out of the store folder, open, close a new folder in OE with the exact same name, then drag the original file back to force a reindex. When troubleshooting produces no positive outcome, the file now requires software designed to overcome serious structural flaws. The most powerful tool is the clear next step to try for your DBX file. Forget struggling with broken files. File Magic stands out because it can show you what's inside a corrupted DBX file right away, a feature almost no other program offers. Available at filemagic.com. Join the conversation in the comment section. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.